Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 on your iPhone. So basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget, and to create a widget you need to press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top and Add Widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries. Right here we have it. Tap at this line, or you can also click at the search and write batteries here. Now here's 3 presets, select the best one for you and then click Add Widget. And you can check battery percentages right here anytime. Make sure that your headphones turn on and connected to your phone. The second option is to use an application. So you need to open HUAWEI Live application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. If you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to the app, you can check videos at this channel. After that, right here we have battery percentages, but I missed right here we also have battery percentages. And what the best one, that on the widget we have general battery percentages, and in the application we can check it for the left and right earbuds and also for the charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!